live with the news where you live. 8 News starts now.
Thanks for joining us for 8 News at 5. I'm Deanna Albritton.
I'm Heather Hope in for Eric Phillips tonight. We begin with your Capitol connection. A federal judge has rejected a lawsuit challenging how Governor Glenn Youngkin restores voting rights for convicted felons released from prison.
The judge saying the process might not be transparent or even fair, but it is legal. 8 News Capitol Bureau reporter Tyler Englander joins us live in studio. Tyler, we are hearing the judge even compared Youngkin to a king.
Well, Heather and Deanna, that's right. Judge John Gibney Jr. said much like a monarch, Governor Glenn Youngkin has the sole discretion to decide whether or not to restore someone's right to vote. However, Judge Gibney says that's not against the law. Tonight, a federal judge dismissing a lawsuit challenging how Governor Glenn Youngkin decides whether or not to restore voting rights to convicted felons upon their release.
At base, the plaintiff is arguing that the way the governor determines when to restore rights ought to be viewed as a licensing system.
In Virginia, convicted felons automatically lose the right to vote unless it's restored by the governor. Previous governors, dating back to Governor Bob McDonnell, automatically restored rights to certain nonviolent felons. However, Youngkin has changed that process, instead electing to review each case individually.
Licensing systems require that there be not terribly much discretion, or at least not unfettered discretion, in order to determine when the license ought to be provided.
The lawsuit argued that Youngkin's process violates a constitutional clause preventing the government from using arbitrary discretion to prevent someone from exercising their First Amendment rights.
So you can see the plaintiff arguing, yes, I committed a crime. Yes, it was a felony. Yes, I lost my right to vote, but the governor can restore that right. And the way the governor should do it is based on a regularized process that does not unfairly or arbitrarily stop me from regaining my right.
However, the court found that because a felon has already lost the right to vote, Youngkin isn't denying them a chance to exercise that right.
The court here said the ex-offender doesn't have a pre-existing right, because what we're trying to figure out is whether the rights will be restored, therefore no application.
And now in a statement, Governor Youngkin's office said they were, quote, pleased with the court's ruling.